in the press then, on the news, etc. Since the situation in Europe, there's been talk about the possibility of blackouts. So now I do have a number of lamps, you know, torches, lights and all the rest of it. So I do have some, but I wanted something, or at least wanted another product whereby it's called omnidirectional. Omnidirectional means that the light shines 360 degrees. It won't just shine in one particular direction. So I wanted a little lamp which we could use, and this is it here, look. So there's lots of good reviews on Amazon about this. So this is a nice little lamp. It takes AA batteries. Don't know whether it's got any in at the moment. Where's the on-off switch? Okay, so it's there. So it looks as if we unscrew that. Now I do have some AA batteries, so somewhere anyway. Should be over here. Now I normally get Duracell, but these are on special offer, so I thought I'd try these. If they turn out to be garbage, then, you know, guess what? I won't be using them. Send them back or whatever. And also I'll be quite interested just to see what the shelf life is on these. Number one. Number two. Number three. Turn it round. Make sure the line threads up. And one of the reasons I wanted a lantern which is battery operated is obviously because it doesn't matter how many appliances or tools you have which you can plug in, say for example to a USB. The fact is, if you don't have electricity, then you're not going to be able to use it, are you, once you run out? So what we're going to do, look, let's just turn this light off above us, and we'll see what this is like. I must say this looks quite, presentation wise, it looks very nice. It feels sturdy. This plastic feels robust. Yeah, should be right there. And as you can see, look, when you spin this round, it's got these yellow bits. Obviously that's where the light comes from. So it looks at the three of those, which gives you the 360 degrees light. So just turn this light off up here, look, and just switch the thing on, see what it's like. I mean, this isn't going to be a full review or anything like that. This is just a quick unboxing. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That's nice. So I like that. So what else have we got then? Okay, so you get the flashing light. Now I should put the number of lumens on the screen so you can see how bright it is. I mean, this is actually rather nice. I like this. Yeah, I like that. It does feel very sturdy. It's got this nice little handle on here, look, just to enable you to hang it. Do you know what? I really like this. So it does feel nice and solid. So hopefully that's going to prove to be a good buy. So, the moment of truth. But okay, that's quite nice. Hey, little spider there, look. You little bugger. So what we need to do then, make sure that he can make his escape. Go on, go that way. You'll get burned. Okay, go on, bugger off. Okay, so that's quite nice, isn't it? Oh, look at that. Let's just see what it looks like from a distance then. Right peeps, so we're on another day then. Another day, another package. Ooh. So in each box then, as we can see, we have 2 mini lanterns, and these are really nice and compact. So that's the package lot. That's the box. Got them from Amazon. Whatever's on that side. Okay. So these are really nice, dinky, but apparently they're very powerful. Okay, so the batteries obviously go there. Now, these are currently available on Amazon for £17 for 4, which I think is an absolute bargain. Assuming, of course, the damn things work. So, when you consider the current cost of energy, be it gas or electricity, you know, having these sorts of small lanterns to light up a room or a bedroom, whatever, or indeed a man cave or cabin such as this may turn out to be a more cost-effective way of lighting an area. I must say, I really do love the design. Now, you know, this isn't unique just to this particular brand. There are now quite a few different brands who have adopted a similar concept. Anyway, we need some AAAs for these, so I'm just gonna get some out and then we'll light these up. And so you need 3 AAAs basically, so we'll bang some of these in there and see if we can get these little puppies working, shall we? So there are some very good deals on at the moment. I mean, there's always deals on, aren't there? But sometimes they're better than others. So I got these at a really good price. Strip that off. I mean, what will become a common theme with my videos is the fact that I do, when I purchase things, I do try and choose the right time to do it. In other words, I try and buy them when the price is as good as it's going to get, basically. So I'm not overpaying for anything. Because the thing is, things like this, you know, they you're not going to be using them all the time. And therefore, you know, it could be argued that they're dead money unless you use them. So you just got to bear that in mind. Oh my goodness, flipping heck, that's bright. Bloody hell. So they're like little dialects, aren't they? So when you consider then that these are available for £17 at the moment, what's that, £8.50, £4.25 each, I mean, you know, that's got to be an absolute super buy, surely. Now I think we're going to be 1 AAA short, although I'm sure I've got some elsewhere. So we've got 3 there. Right, numero uno. Yay. Number 2. Number 3. And number 4. Schmicko. So £4.25 each then. I think that's a really good buy. Look at those little beauties. Let's put this one on actually. Let's light the place up, shall we? Let's light it up like a Christmas tree. Come on, soldier. Move him out of the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. really bright actually, they're really nice. So let's put one up here, shall we? And we'll put these out just to see how bright just one of them is. That really is very, very bright. So compared to this one here, look, the previous one, which is 300 lumen, and do you know what, there ain't a lot of difference there at all. That's actually quite astounding actually, to be honest. Let's put that there now. And I mean, if you look at those lot, they're about the same, aren't they? Other than the fact that the one on the left is a little bit bigger. That's quite incredible. Wow. Well, I tell you what, I'm certainly very happy with those. Do you know what? I really think they're excellent. And they just give out a tremendous amount of light, and it is very, very cosy in here. I think they're absolutely superb. And of course we've got one left. Let's light that one up, shall we? So, one-handed. So let's put that one down there, shall we? They're absolutely superb, they are. Lovely. And also they give out a very nice, it's a very striking white light. So to turn them off then, what you do, push them down like that. And these handles, look, you know, they fold into the side. They're reasonably ergonomic, look. So we've got one there. Number two. Number three. Boom. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.